Welcome back to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the Wheelchair Van Man, and today we're going to take a look at a external transfer seat. This one's built by Adapt Solutions out of Canada. This has been installed on a 2018 Chevy Colorado front passenger position. This can also be put in the driver position and some second row applications on SUVs where you have bucket seats. This seat enables you to maintain 100% the factory OEM seat. It's going to pivot 90 degrees, come out of that vehicle, so you can transfer the mobility device externally onto that seat. Now I'm controlling this via a hand pendant that I do need to hold this button in order for the seat to continue out. If I let go, the seat will stop until I come back and press it again. Looking for applications? Check out BLVD.com where you can find a dealer near you who can confirm your application in a matter of minutes.